to the Westview Sailing RYA Yachtmaster tutorial videos. I'm Duncan Wells, author of the Stress-Free series of sailing books, creator of MOB Lifesavers, features writer for yachting magazines, and principal of Westview Sailing. I'll be taking you through the exercises. You'll find the tutorials have a logical progression to them and follow the structure of pretty much any day skipper shore-based course. This is certainly the order we run at Westview Sailing. We use the RYA Charts 3 and 4 and the RYA Training Almanac, and if you're already on a course you should have these, and of course a plotter and a set of dividers. We start with the chart, then rocks, wrecks and obstructions, position, plotting a position, bearings and distance, and then magnetic variation and deviation. At Yachtmaster, all your chart work will require you to allow for deviation. Then we have fixing a position. Where are we? Then, in the build-up to estimated position and course to steer, we look at tides. There's a lot of very useful general information on this video, such as the explanation of once in a blue moon, and how to tell what the tide is doing by looking at the moon. Then we have the tidal hour and Tidal Diamonds and the tidal stream atlas and leeway. And now we're ready to tackle estimated position and course to steer. Then we ramp things up a bit by introducing the computation of tidal rates and working across time zones, and put these into practice with advanced estimated position, with course changes running across more than one tidal hour, and computing tidal rates. This is followed by a projected EP and then a 2-hour course to steer exercise which includes everything, the works we call it. Then we move away from the chart to look at tidal heights and secondary ports. We get a lot of positive comment about the secondary ports tutorial. We've tried to make it as straightforward as possible, and I think it works. Then it's aids to navigation and anchoring. Even if you're not doing a shore-based course, this anchoring video is worth watching. Anchoring is such a great thing to do, and if you're confident about anchoring, you can enjoy the peace to be had by getting away from it all. We have a tutorial on the running fix, which is a lovely piece of navigation that uses just one charted mark to find your position. Then we have which tide table bite-sized and which tide table the full version. Bite-size is a quick reminder and the full version is the full picture with all the detail. Both worth a look. They'll keep you on the straight and narrow when it comes to which tide table you're going to use for tidal stream information and which to use for tidal height information. We have a passage planning video, a trip from the Hamble to St Helier in Jersey, which gives you the sort of detail you need to be looking at on the Yachtmaster course. Passage planning, after all, is what all the other elements have been building towards. Finally, relating the electronics to the traditional, we have electronic aids to navigation. A couple of videos to take you through the chart plotter, AIS, radar, MARPA, sonar, all the sort of electronics you'll come across when you step on board a boat. So that's it. Have fun, enjoy the tutorials, and good luck in your shore-based assessment or practical exam. And if you're not actually on a course but want to do your RYA Yachtmaster shore-based theory, come and join us online. The Westview Sailing online course is presented just like the tutorial videos. You start when you like, go at your own pace, and there are weekly Zoom meetups to make sure that everyone is on the right track. And for people to chat, frankly. Of course, there's always homework and there are assignments, and I'm there all the time to answer any questions. At the end of it, having completed the 3 assessment papers successfully, you'll be given your Yachtmaster Shore-Based Theory certificate.